we doing, Mason?
He has a broken pipe.
Yeah, you dig up some of the front yard.
Yep.
You want
It's
to?
not that deep.
It's not that deep. You want to see how well your suspension works on the grave digger going over this little hill? Here, come around this way, and you'll be fine. Don't quite think you understood what I was getting at.
What?
I want you to come up over here like this and go down that way. Or go this way and then end up that way. Okay, stop. Put it in high. Ugh. Go. Okay, turn around. All right, now go turn around and hit it the other way. You have no idea what I'm talking about. And go. Go. Now do it again. Go this way. Turn around. You have no concept of turning around. Go. Oh, back up. Do that again. Go. Don't hit me. Give me a thumbs up, Mason. Alrighty. Thanks for watching, guys.